Welcome, listener. Today, in this lecture, we'll discuss some Python programs based on selection control or decision making. Write a program to find whether the given number is even or odd. Now, the code is num is equal to int input, enter any number, colon, and that should be under double quote. If num percentage 2 equal to 0, colon, print the number is even, that should be under double quote, else colon, print the number is odd, that should be under double quote. Now in this code, you see the two print statements under if block and else block. The number is even and the number is odd, that should be under single quote also. Now if you take any number and if you divide that number by 2 and if the remainder is 0, then that number is even number, and the remainder is not equal to 0, then the number is odd. This is the basic concept to determine whether a number is even or odd. Based on that, you see, if you put 32, then 32 percentage 2, that should be equal to 0 because remainder is 0. So this is true. Then the number is even. This print statement will be executed and else part will be skipped. Now if you enter 67, then 67 percentage 2 not equal to 0. But in if block, you see 67 percentage 2, this statement is false. So the if block statements will not execute. So the control directly goes to else block. So the number is odd. This statement will be displayed. The same program can be written in different way also. Num is equal to int input enter a number colon, and that should be under double quote. This line remains same. Only thing, if num percentage 2 not equal to 0 colon, print num is odd, else colon, print num is even. Now we take 36 as num, then 36 percentage 2 not equal to 0, this is false. So if block statement will skip and the execution will directly goes to else part. So 36 is even, will display. Now if we take 23 as number, that is num, then 23 percentage 2 not equal to 0, this is correct, that is true. Then in if block 23 is odd, will display and the execution will not goes to else part. Now second program, write a program to find larger of two numbers. So we take two numbers from the user. That's why first two lines a is equal to int input enter the value of first number a colon, that should be under double quote or single quote. B is equal to int input enter the value of second number b colon, that should be under double quote or single quote. If a greater than b colon large is equal to a, else colon large is equal to b, print the largest number is large. This is the code. Now you see, if we take first number as 12 and second number as 25, then 12 greater than 25, that is false. So else part will execute, that is large is equal to 25. So the largest number is 25 will display. But if we take first number as 21 and second number is also 21, then 21 greater than 21, this is false. So else part will execute. So large is equal to 21. So largest number is 21. But concept point of view, this is not correct because both the numbers are equal. But we are not able to see in this code. So we have to modify the code a little bit. Here the answer is a is equal to int input, enter the value of first number a colon, that should be under double quote. B is equal to int input, enter the value of second number b colon, that should be under double quote. If a greater than b colon, large is equal to a, print the largest number is large. If a less than b colon, large is equal to b, print the largest number is large. Else colon, print both are equal. So in this code, first number we take as 5, second number we take as 23. Now 5 greater than 23, false. Now first elif, 5 less than 23, true. So large is equal to 23. So the largest number is 23 will display. In the second run, if we take first number as 12 and second number is also 12, then 12 greater than 12, this is not correct. Elif, 12 less than 12, this is also not correct. So if block statement will not execute, elif block statement will not execute. So control directly goes to else part, and here both are equal will display. So in the previous code, that facility was not there, but here we rectify that crisis and we are able to solve larger of two numbers or both are equal. Write a program to test whether a number entered by the user is positive, negative, or equal to 0. Now num is equal to int input, enter in number colon, that should be under double quote. If num greater than 0 colon, print the number is positive, that should be under double quote. Elif num less than 0 colon, print the number is negative, that should be under double quote. Else colon, print the number is 0, that should be under double quote. Now we enter number minus 45 and stored it in the variable called num. So num is equal to minus 45. Now minus 45 greater than 0, not correct. So that part will skip. Minus 45 less than 0, this is correct. So the number is negative will display. Now if we put num is equal to 0, then 0 greater than 0, not correct. That block will skip. 0 less than 0, that is also not correct in elif part. So number is negative, that statement will skip. So directly the control goes to else part and the number is 0 will display. And if we take 81 as num, this num is equal to 81, then 81 greater than 0, this is correct or true. So the number is positive will display. The same program can be coded in this way also. Num is equal to int input, enter any number colon, that should be under double quote. If num equal to 0 colon, print the number is 0, that should be under double quote. Elif num less than 0 colon, print the number is negative, that should be under double quote, else colon print the number is positive, that should be under double quote. Now if you put num is equal to 0, then if part will true, it is num is equal to 0 means 0 equal to 0, that is correct. So the number is 0 will display. If you put num is equal to 21, then if part will false because 21 not equal to 0, that is not correct. Elif part 21 less than 0, that is also not correct. So control directly goes to else part and the number is positive will display. Now if you take num is equal to -8, then -8 equal to 0, that is false. So if part will skip. Now -8 less than 0, this is correct, that is true. So the number is negative will display. Now the same program can be written in this way also. Num is equal to int input, enter any number colon, that should be under double quote. If num equal to 0 colon, print the number is 0 under double quote. Elif num greater than 0 colon, print the number is positive, that should be under double quote. Else colon, print the number is negative, that should be under double quote. Now if you put 29 as num, that is num is equal to 29, then if part 29 equal to 0, false. Elif part 29 greater than 0, correct. So number is positive will display. If you take another number, num is equal to 0, then if part 0 equal to 0, correct. So number is 0, that statement will display. Now if you take num is equal to -7, so if part -7 equal to 0, false. Elif part -7 greater than 0, false. So control directly goes to else part and the number is negative will display. Another program, write a program to determine whether the character entered is a vowel or not. Now code is ch equal to input, enter any character colon, that should be under double quote. If ch equal to a, or ch equal to e, or ch equal to I, or ch equal to o, or ch equal to u, or ch, this a, e, I, o, u should be in lowercase letter, or ch equal to capital A, or ch equal to capital E, or ch equal to capital I, or ch equal to capital O, or ch equal to capital U. Print ch is a vowel, else colon, print ch is not a vowel. Now here we ask the user to enter any character, and the input function gets the character as string, and we store that character in a variable called ch, small ch. Now if ch equal to either small a or small e or small I or small o or small u, or capital A or capital E or capital I or capital O or capital U, then that character is a vowel, else that character is not a vowel. So in ch, if we put small a, then if part will true because or is there. So either out of 10 conditions, if any one condition is true or all 10 conditions are true, then if block will true. That's why small a is a vowel, will display. If you enter any character, if you put small h, then in if part, this is not satisfied, that is, that expression is not true. So that statement block will not execute. So control directly goes to else part, and H is not a vowel will display. Now, if we put enter any character capital E, that is CH equal to capital E, then if condition will true, so capital E is a vowel. This program can be written in another way also. CH is equal to input, enter any character colon, that should be under double quote. After that, we write this way. If CH equal to capital B or CH equal to small b, or CH equal to capital C, or CH equal to small c. This way, we write total expression and consider 21 alphabets in lowercase and 21 alphabets in uppercase, except A, E, I, O, U in lowercase and uppercase. Then print CH is not a vowel, else colon print CH is a vowel. But that time, we have to write the condition in if part. 21 plus 21, 42 conditions we have to write. But this time, 5 plus 5, 10 conditions we have written. This is the difference between this code and whatever we discussed by considering without A, E, I, O, U in small case and lowercase. Now write a program to take input from the user and then check whether it is an alphabet or not. CH equal to input, enter any character colon, that should be under double quote. If CH greater than or equal to small a and CH less than or equal to small z, or CH greater than or equal to capital A and CH less than or equal to capital Z. That means CH should be from small a to small z, or CH should be from capital A to capital Z. Then print CH is a alphabet, else print CH is not an alphabet. So if you put in CH is equal to 9, so if conditions will not true, then 9 is not an alphabet. Now enter any character if you put percentage, that is CH is equal to percentage, then also if conditions will not true, then else part will execute, so percentage is not an alphabet. But if you put CH is equal to small h, then if block condition will true, then H is an alphabet. Now write a program to take input from the user and then check whether it is a number or a character. If it is a character, determine whether it is an uppercase or lowercase. Now CH is equal to input, enter any character colon, that should be under double quote. If CH greater than or equal to small a and CH less than or equal to small z, colon, print lowercase character was entered, that should be under double quote. If CH greater than or equal to capital A and CH less than or equal to capital Z, colon, print uppercase character was entered, that should be under double quote. If CH greater than or equal to 0 and CH less than or equal to 9, colon, print a number was entered, that should be under double quote. else colon print special character was entered, that should be under double quote. So in if part, ch variable, if it stores lowercase letters from small a to small z, then lowercase character was entered. In first elif part, if ch stored capital A to capital Z, then uppercase character was entered. In second elif part, if ch stores 0 to 9, then a number was entered, else special character was entered. So enter any character, if we put S, capital S, then first if block, that condition is false. First elif part, that is ch greater than equal to capital A and ch less than or equal to capital Z, this condition will true, then uppercase character was entered will display. Now if you take ch is equal to @ then if part condition is false, first elif part is false, second elif part is also false, so control directly goes to else part and special character was entered will display. Thank you.